Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Snapchat. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the camera roll backup on Snapchat, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Snapchat on a device and swipe up to view your gallery. On this page, tap the Camera Roll tab. You can see here that your camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. So this means that the pictures and videos on your phone are not backed up on Snapchat. This is not an error, so it does not need a fix. Your camera roll images and videos are stored on your device. And that's how you fix the camera roll backup on Snapchat. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.